Are you moving to Spain to work? Then, this might be useful for you. There is a special tax regime in Spain, also known as Beckham Law, whereby income earned by expats can be taxed at much lower tax rates. But wait, let's take it from the beginning. Imagine you move from anywhere in the world to Spain and start working there. In case you stayed more than half of the year in Spanish territory, you would become Spanish tax resident. If that's the case, you would be subject to Spanish personal income tax, which means having to pay taxes for your worldwide income at progressive rates that could reach up to 48%. But don't panic, this is where the special tax regime comes in. As said before, it's a tax regime available only for those moving to Spain to work, and its main advantage is that you can benefit from a much lower taxation. How? Well, it's not the only way, but instead of paying taxes at progressive rates that could reach up to 48%, you would only pay for your employment income a flat tax rate of 24% for the first 600,000 euros of income. For example, let's consider Mike's case. Mike moved from London to Barcelona to start working as a developer in a Spanish company. He was going to earn around 90,000 euros a year. If he had done nothing, he would have been subject to the regular Spanish personal income tax and would have paid an average tax rate of around 32%. This would have meant paying almost 29,000 euros in taxes every year. However, Mike decided to request the application of the special tax regime. As a consequence, his income was taxed at a flat rate of 24%, which meant around 21,000 euros in taxes every year. As a result, Mike is saving every year approximately 8,000 euros on taxes, thanks to the special tax regime. As you can see, the special tax regime for expats can be very advantageous in certain cases. If you don't know if it's going to be your case, then have your case analyzed and get out of doubts.